Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. When Allah created the heavens and the earth, He Almighty did not ask the angels to do sajda. However, when Allah Almighty created Adam, He asked the angels to do sajda. Have you ever thought about it? The importance that Allah has given to humans, all humans. How easily we ridicule each other, dismiss each other, look down upon each other. Allah has made each one of us special and unique. He subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us importance over the mighty heavens and the earth, the stars, the moon, and His amazing angels. Who are we then to look down upon other humans? Remember, Iblis wants us to do it, to look down upon ourselves and others. Don't fall in the trap. Respect yourself and other human beings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.